Okay, we've got another grid here, and we're going to look to, again, find the pattern to give us the number in the middle. So if we add up these columns, we get 3 plus 2 plus 4, that's 9. Here we get 3 plus 8 plus 1, okay, that's not 9, so that doesn't work. Next we're going to try to multiply them together. So 3 multiplied by 2, 6, multiplied by 4 is 24. This is the same multiplication, so that's the same, but that doesn't really reveal much. But 1 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 2 is also 24. And 3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 1 is 24. So it seems like that is the pattern. So here, 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. So we'd need 1 in here to make this multiplication work. And then that does work for this as well. So 1 is the number that goes in the middle. So did you get this puzzle? Let me know in the comments if you did. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more maths videos. Thank you very much for watching.